Hi, I'm Meenakshi Dutt and today I'm going to give you wonderful tips on summer brides. Now Deepa is a very pretty, slightly dusky girl, beautiful Indian features. So you will see a beautiful transformation on her. How I am going to magically transform her into a magical bride. First we start with a light concealing of the skin. Blend it nicely with a buffing brush. Keeping in mind that all the corners of the face are all covered with the product. None of the product should look that it's pasted on the face. It should be nicely blended. We cover all the exposed areas like the neck, the chest, the ears. For the summer brides, you can also do the airbrush base, which has a very good staying power, gives a very nice natural look, and the pigments give a very photogenic look in the end. It covers all your pigmented area, all the darkness, all the dark spots, all the scars in a very even way. Gives a totally airbrushed face. That it stays long. In fact, it's important for any bride that the makeup just stays long. So what is important is first you outline the lipstick in a very nice way along the lip line. It's also important if you can just outline the lips and fill it in a little so that when you do the eye makeup, you also get the look of the whole, you get the feel of the whole look, so you don't goof up anywhere. Fill in the lipstick, the lip pencil. Because the lip pencil, the pigments are normally stronger and have a longer staying power. Colors of the outfit in mind, along with keeping the traditional look. So we have to make sure that the colors that we use on the eyes are blended beautifully, keeping, if our lehenga has red, greens and all that, we should try try to use those colors on the eyes, but not overdo it. And definitely the accentuation of the eyes, the traditional feel of the eyes has to be maintained. Whether it's a summer bride or winter bride, a bride is a bride. So the look has to be traditional, it has to be pretty, it has to be effective. Color should be in the tones of peaches, pinks, corals, not too red because that can take away the whole innocence from the face. So just keep in mind that it's all blended, looks beautiful, and whatever you use should all look, as if it's a part of the face. Nothing should stand out in a different way, especially in summers. Anything extra will definitely spoil the whole makeup. So it's just very important to keep everything in mind. Slightly creamy, I would say creamy matte, so that the creamy part doesn't dry the lips and the matte part makes the lipstick stay longer. If you make it too glossy, the staying power of the lipstick reduces. So it's very important to keep the lipstick creamy matte. Now this is the bridal makeup in summers. If you see, I have only concentrated on definition of the eyes, the lips, the features, the nose, but I have not tried to overdo the makeup. Like I have not tried to make it deep red eyes or too maroonish lips or very strong blusher. The base should look blended, the eyebrows, the eyes, the lips, everything should look in a 3D dimension, everything should look very, very effective. And obviously once the bride gets ready, the look is according to that. So definitely you will see what I mean by saying the blended look when she's all ready. In summers, what are the products you use? Very important. It should be waterproof, stay proof, weatherproof, sweat proof. Very important because it has to last longer. It has to last about 14-15 hours minimum. And even if your base is slightly heavy in the beginning, do not worry because in summers the skin starts eating up makeup. So if the client is very worried that why it is looking too cakey, or just tell them to relax, because about an hour or 2 hours it all looks blended, it looks fine. So in case the bride has time to go or travel, or there is a time for her to reach the venue, make sure that you do the base slightly heavier. But yes, if you are already at the venue and the bride has to go immediately, then you can do the base slightly softer. And then definitely clothes, finishing spray in the end. Now products like these and waterproof products definitely help in keeping the whole makeup intact longer, and the bride doesn't have to worry about sweating, doesn't have to worry about crying, doesn't have to worry about any kind of any mishap. So till the end of the wedding, she looks fresh, she looks pretty, and her whole makeup looks intact.